Hey there, homeowners. Today I'm diving into how to troubleshoot common issues with your Goodman GSXN402410 air conditioner. Even the best AC systems can hit a snag now and then, but don't worry. I've got you covered with some handy tips to get your unit back up and running. Let's jump right in. First up, what if your air conditioner won't turn on? Possible culprits include a tripped circuit breaker, thermostat issues, or loose wiring. Here's what you can do. Check the circuit breaker and reset it if it's tripped. If it keeps tripping, call an electrician. Test the thermostat. Make sure it's set to cool and the temperature is lower than the room temperature. Replace the batteries if needed. Inspect the wiring connections. If you spot damaged wires, it's time to call an HVAC professional. Next, let's talk about when your AC is running but not cooling. This can be due to a dirty air filter, low refrigerant levels, or blocked condenser coils. Here's how to tackle this. Replace or clean the air filter. It should be checked monthly. Inspect the refrigerant lines. Ice buildup can indicate low refrigerant, so call a pro for refilling. Clean the condenser coils. Use a coil cleaner and rinse with a garden hose. Now, what if your unit is short cycling, turning on and off frequently? This might be due to an oversized AC unit, dirty evaporator coils, or a clogged condensate drain line. Try these steps. Check and clean the evaporator coils. Unclog the condensate drain line. Use a vinegar and water solution to flush out debris. If your AC is too powerful for your home, a professional might suggest adding a dehumidifier or replacing the system. Ever noticed water leaking from the indoor unit? Common causes are a clogged condensate drain line, frozen evaporator coils, or improper installation. Here's the fix. Flush the drain line with a mixture of vinegar and warm water. Check for ice on the evaporator coils. If frozen, turn off the AC and let it thaw before restarting. Inspect the drain pan to ensure it's properly positioned. Lastly, unusual noises coming from the unit can be quite alarming. Whether it's buzzing, rattling, or hissing, here's what you can do. Tighten loose screws and panels. If rattling persists, check for detached fan blades. If there's electrical buzzing, a faulty capacitor might be the issue. Call an HVAC technician. For hissing sounds, it could be a refrigerant leak. Shut down the unit and call a licensed professional. Remember to call a professional if refrigerant levels are low. Only certified technicians can handle refrigerants. You encounter electrical problems like faulty capacitors or wiring issues, the compressor fails. The compressor is the heart of the system and costly to replace. Persistent water leaks, as they could indicate a deeper drainage issue. To keep your AC in tip-top shape, change the air filter every 3 months, keep the condenser unit clear of debris, schedule professional maintenance annually, and monitor your energy bills for sudden spikes. Understanding common issues with your Goodman GSXN402410 can help you diagnose problems early and save on costly repairs. While some issues have simple DIY fixes, others require professional assistance. Stay cool and thanks for watching.